Welcome to this new video on how to save your Canva design very easily. What we do, we have a Canva design like a flyer, brochure or something else. Doesn't matter what it is. What we want to do is we want to click on share. After that we can click on download. And since this is a text document, we would like to save it as a PDF. If you click on the option over here, the file type, you can select the different file types, the one you prefer you select. For now I want to create a PDF file, so I will select this one. After that I will flatten it so it's printable, and now you can basically download it. Once it's downloaded, you will see a option over here that it is downloaded, and then you can easily access it through your downloads in your File Explorer. So as you can see, we can open the design, and now you can see the complete document we have saved as a PDF file. That's it. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this video was very helpful, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Cheers!